recognize the button even if I don't know what the caption says.
Sure.
All right, I think I just did that.
Can you share your Cloud9 editor?
I'm in Cloud9 right now. Do you need me to share it with you? I think I need your Cloud9 username or an email to share it.
Wait a minute. Okay. I send my mail via Hangout.
Okay, let's see. I got to find the right window.
Wow, too much tab.
Oh, yeah, you're right. You can see my score. There you are. Okay, I'm gonna pull mine that I'm working on at the very end, so that I don't have to go searching for him. You're right. I have a bad habit of having a zillion tabs. Okay. So in Cloud9, I can share my workspace up here, but I need a Cloud9 username or an email. So I'm looking right now in the Google Hangout. Oh, there's a message up here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, but it's well, I can try to cut and paste this, but it's not in English, so I'm not even sure if the character set will work. Let me try.
No. That's not the email. Is the upper part of the chat box.
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just the blue font. The blue font.
All right. All right, I think that worked.
Okay, I will go to your wait for me. Can you give me the link of your editor?
Of my editor?
Yep.
Usually I just use Emacs in the Cloud9 workspace.
Okay. A minute. Just wait for me. Okay, I received your invite.
I see things happening in Cloud9, so I suppose you're doing something. Yep, okay. I see you typing.
Okay.
All right. So two things. First of all, how far are you on homework 2 right now?
For me, I'm finished all of the homework, but I want to pass with someone.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm in the middle of part 1, I think. I did the part 0, the hello world and all that good stuff, and I started setting up my auto test and adding functions, and got a little ways into that before I figured I'd better pair up with somebody during the homework.
I can pair with you.
Okay, that'll work. And the second thing is, since you started the Hangout, I think you need to hit the start recording button so that it ends up recording.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm already did it.
You already did it. Awesome. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So then I guess we need to jump to where I was. So let me pull my instructions over to the end of my list of huge tabs, so I don't have to look for those either.
Okay.
So I think in one of these shells I had the auto test running. And so I had one in auto test. I had editors in some of the others. Do I have a command history? My up arrow that normally works isn't working in Cloud.
There is one request. May you please use only one or two command tab, because when you change the tab to type your command, sometimes I don't know which tab that you work on.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. Well, we're definitely going to need one for the auto test.
Yep.
And another for an editor, right?
Yeah.
So I can, I guess, close a couple of them.
And do you know you can separate the editor in two parts, upper and lower?
I've seen people do that before in various editors. Yeah. Oh, you mean the Cloud9 editor?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have mine dragged up.
But I think you prefer
something like that. Oh, I see. So you rather than working in Emacs, you work in whatever this editor is. What is this editor? Or is this just a reader?
Pardon? Again, please.
The top part of the screen that right now on my screen I have looking at the Cloud9 README. Is that a read only? I think it is.
Okay. Yeah. I see it.
I'm wondering if you can actually put an editor up there. Oh, you can put a terminal. So yeah, you can edit there.
Yeah, but why I can't enter anything in your README? I don't understand.
Yeah. Okay. So auto test on the bottom and editor on the top, maybe?
Okay.
I need to restart the auto test. And that was, let's see, it was a couple days ago I did it, so I have to remember how I did it.
Just type auto test.
Auto test?
Yep.
Just like that?
Yep, that's all. It seems like you still have the 17 test case that you need to pass it now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. I just did the first one.
Okay, let's start.
Okay.
Okay.
So up top, I need to go to my test.
Yes.
I think, well, is it that one? Let me test.
It's still in a spec file, a spec folder.
Yeah, I found the folder. There are 3 files there. I think it's the hang person
game spec.
Game spec.
Yeah.
All right. So first one I passed, and the second one right here in describe guessing, I think I just uncommented.
Yep, the guessing. So would you please to open your hang person game.rb?
Let's see. That's in lib, right? Oh.
Yeah, in the lib folder.
And I don't have tab completion here. Is it hangperson.rb?
Yep. hangperson_game.rb.
All right. Somehow I opened a text replace that I don't want. All right, it didn't do it, but why don't it let me open this? Do you know what I'm doing wrong here?
Pardon?
I'm just trying to open the file, and it I'm somehow stuck in replace.
For now, what is the problem?
Just trying to change file with an Emacs, and I don't think I've forgotten the command. I think I just ended up in a text replace window in Cloud 9 that I'm not used to.
Oh, okay.
It's Control X, Control F is what opens a file. I just double checked that, making sure it hadn't changed to me. That's the one I've been using for 25 years or something. So.
Okay, but I think you just double click to open this on the Cloud 9.
Oh, I can click to open it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So over on
the left side of
I see.
Workspace. Just
right.
Click.
Oh, okay. Well, it opens it in.
Wow, we meet.
All right.
At the same.
It opens it in an editor I'm not used to, but at least it's open.
Okay. If you want to have the full screen or your editor look bigger, you can move your mouse into the left side on the Workspace tab and click on it. It will collapse the left side menu.
Like over on the list of files?
The left tab, that's called the left tab that have the Workspace navigate command. When you click on the Workspace tab, it will collapse the left menu on the left.
Okay.
So
command?
that it just click on it.
Okay, I clicked on command.
Click on Workspace or command. Click on the current tab that you open.
Okay.
And then it will collapse the left side menu. That is just some trick to let you work more convenient. But that file is not affect us. Just let's start.
So I'm not sure what I'm doing.
Okay.
I'm on the left side. I'm clicking commands in Workspace, and I'm not saying anything productive.
Okay, let me check.
What am I trying to do right now? I'm just trying to make this this editor window larger. Is that the goal?
Yeah, you can move your mouse into the left side, more left, and upper a little bit. Yeah, that. Down, and move your mouse upside up, down. Yeah, and click it. Yeah, that's all.
Oh, all right. Okay.
And if you want to return, you just click the same part, the same area. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Okay. That's make you more space to work.
Gotcha. All right. I understand.
Okay. Let's start. For now, okay. For the past session, there are two roles that we have swapped frequently, every 15 or something.
Right.
There is diver and navigator. So the diver is the guy who coding, the navigator, the guy who navigate or just talk, right?
Right.
Yeah. Okay. But I think who want to be the diver first?
Well, okay. Why don't I drive for 10 or 15 minutes, and you can navigate, and then we'll switch.
Okay. So you can be a diver, and I will navigate.
All right. So you see what we have right now. We've got functions. Well, let's see. My constructor in this class hang person game, and I've got one method in here. Get random word is defined.
Mm-hmm.
And that's it. So what else do I need to add? What's navigator? What's the next test I need to pass? I guess I should ask you.
Okay. So first we will let's tackle the second test case. So may you please open your spec file?
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
So I need to come over here.
Yeah. In the spec folder.
Yeah.
Spec folder.
Right.
And the second file. Yeah, that's fine. Okay.
Gotcha. Okay. And click up here to, yeah. All right.
Okay. For now, you still in the second test. You have to scroll up. Yeah. And scroll down a little bit. Scroll down. You are the current test at the line 22, guessing.
All right.
All right.
So that's a method I need in my hang person class. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see. Is it a class method or an instance method? Do you know? Should I do self.guessing?
Please return to the spec file. I'm not sure. No, describe guessing is just the description of this test, not the thing that you have to do. No, you know to create the function called guessing.
All right.
Yeah, the thing that you have start to work is at the line 28 and the line 32. So you need to remove the pending true from.
Yeah.
Okay. Just save and look. Okay.
I see.
Okay. Just start it. It's great. Okay, let's start. So we have the three things in this state. The first, we create the new instance of Hunger Game with the word is graphic. And then the second, at the line 26, you put the character A as the parameter in the function guess. And then the test expect that the guess instance variable that's called guesses equal to character A, but the instance variable name called wrong guesses equal to empty string.
Okay. So it looks as though I need to put in the functionality that if you put in one of the correct letters, it adds it to guesses, and if you put in something that's not there, it needs to go into wrong guesses.
Yep.
Okay. So
so you
so that's wrong.
Yeah, that's wrong.
So let's see. I already have my my class variables here, or not class variable, my instance variables, guesses and wrong guesses.
So, you already have it.
All right. So somehow when the user makes a guess, it's going to call a method in here, and I don't have that defined, right? Initialize the constructor and get random word is what it calls to get a word to begin with from some dictionary. Okay. So what method is called when?
At line 26.
Line 26?
Yeah, 26.
Game got guess. Ah, good. All right.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
So I've guessed a letter, and I want to check to see if that letter is in the word. So Let's see. In Python, there's an in keyword to do this. In Ruby, I've got to look this up.
You can look into this link.
Sorry, what's that?
Wait a minute. Okay. Do you stay in the Hangout? I will put it in the chat box in Hangout.
Oh, gotcha.
Okay. This is the link.
Yeah. Okay. Include. Yep. All right.
Include. Oh, you already opened it.
Yeah. I had Googled, and I have a desktop computer in front of me and a laptop, and I'm sharing the laptop. But on my desktop, I opened the documentation.
Mm-hmm.
Well, while I was saying it out loud, I also found it. Okay. So if my word includes that letter, then I want to add it to the guesses.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Can I add to an array easily or string?
One thing in Ruby, when you put or want to assign to the instance, yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So notice I'm not checking if the letter I'm guessing is already in the guesses. So that's certainly going to need to be fixed in a minute. But I think the spirit of Agile is to only pass one test at a time, right? So
but that is not our concern for now.
Right. Okay. So I've added to the guesses, and now I need to see if it's also in my word. Oh wait, no, I already did that. So
if it's not there, yeah. Okay.
But is guesses only storing correct guesses, or is it storing all guesses?
So correct guesses.
Only correct guesses? In that case, this code I think should be right.
Yeah.
So I'll save it and see what my tests do. And I'm still failing. So 41 and 45.
Yeah. I think you already passed it because the test you can scroll up at your command line, at your command, the lower part of the editor. Scroll up. Just scroll up.
Yeah, it actually doesn't let me scroll up. I'm using my mouse wheel. I'm not sure why.
Oh, really? Because if you can scroll up, you can see it's already green.
Okay. So my two failures are, it's listing 41 and 45, which is weird because those tests are still pending, right? So it shouldn't be testing those, I think.
That is maybe the bug in our spec.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well, so I passed those two tests, right? So,
yeah, you passed.
So maybe we should switch roles at this point.
Yeah. For now, it's my turn.
Yep. Okay. So why don't you do the next test or two then?
Okay. I'm staying in your. Yeah. When I scroll up your command, I see the great green signal that in both chain wrong, guess list, and return true is green. For now, we will tackle for this is the incorrect context, and I will remove this pending true for chain wrong get list and return true. Okay. The case tell me that Let me save it. Whoa, it just passed. It just passed because the logic that you put into guess method is cover this test case for incorrect.
Okay.
Okay, it just.
So I guess we have another couple tests to.
Yeah.
To go.
Two birds in one stone.
Yep.
Okay. Let's go to the line 54 of the spec. And then 58.
You need to get rid of the comma still.
Yeah. Just two tests and then save.
Oh, there you go.
Okay. Okay.
There you go. There are things to fix.
Okay. Okay. For now, we test for the repeated input.
Yep. All right. That's the one I was worried about last time.
Okay. So let me be the driver for this. Okay. To go the get letter. The test tell me that if we push the duplicate character in both cases and long cases, they will not put it or concat it into the string. So I have to check this after this. If guess could okay and now
okay.
Okay, if I want to
That's the succinct way of doing it. I think it's a little neat in Ruby. It's the first time I've seen someone do it that the not operator binds sensibly with the at to reference the class variable. It's interesting that you could set it up to parse that way.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. See if it passes.
Okay. Service. Okay. It's still.
Do we? Okay, we now failed an earlier test. We broke something. We added that.
Oh, sorry. In the line 30.
Okay.
Just pass. But let me refactor the code because in Ruby we want the code to readable. So I use this. And then save.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, beautiful.
Okay. That is better.
Okay. Okay, let me finish my job to remove pending tool for line 62 of the spec file and the line 66 in the spec file.
Okay.
And then save. Okay. At the 62, return false. They expect the guest to return false if the user input the duplicate letter.
So this is because you already guessed an A?
Yeah.
And a Q? Okay. All right. So the function just needs to return, I guess. So,
yeah.
so we need to basically tear out what you just put in, and right out at the beginning of the method, we need to check to see if the guesses or wrong guesses include the guess,
Okay.
and it's going to just return false, I think.
Okay. So if if SBS guesses include letter or
I think you need wrong guesses for the second one.
oh sorry.
Yep.
And then we no need this code anymore because it's
Correct.
eventually return.
Yep.
Okay.
I think that'll work.
What is the problem of? I think I broke something.
Line 27.
Maybe.
That's the first thing I would try.
Oh,
Maybe even fully parenthesize it just to see if that's the issue.
or something like this. I'm not sure. Just brute force. Yeah.
All right.
All right.
So that's interesting. I thought in Ruby they tried to make it so that you could eliminate as much of those parentheses and things as
Yeah.
possible.
Yeah. Yeah. Maybe it's a problem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. We still have a failure though.
Yeah. The line 66.
Case insensitive. Oh, so we need to downcase the letter as soon as we get it.
Yeah. So downcase. It's not. It's so wrong.
Would it be a little cleaner if we just downcased the letter the instant we got it into the function, and then just dealt with everything as lowercase letters?
So
Like
you mean
first line we do letter equals letter dot downcase.
you mean
And then
case the variable?
yeah, right there. If we do letter equals letter dot downcase, then we could get rid of a lot of the downcasing in subsequent lines, I think.
Uh-huh. You mean this to create a new variable? I'm not sure. Right?
Well, we could, or you could just do. Here, hang on. Easier for me to type. Whoop.
Okay.
I think. All right. What if we just do this? Whoops.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
Yep. It's more beautiful and more concise. Then okay. Just save.
Oh, we broke tests now.
Yeah. Maybe no. So maybe we start at the simple first.
Yeah.
Before
maybe.
refactor it.
Yeah.
Whoa.
All right. Hang person game guessing incorrectly changes wrong guess list. So this is.
Oh, sorry.
This error occurs on line 41.
Yeah, that's all. Because at line 35, we accidentally remove ER from the letter.
Oh.
Okay, let's refactor it. Just save. Okay.
All right.
For now, it's time to swap.
Yep, I agree. All right, so I'll go to the next couple of tests then.
Yeah.
So looks like we have one on 77, another on 80.
Yeah. Empty. Not non-alphabet.
Okay, so what is this testing?
It expect you to raise the argument order when found the empty string and the non-alphabet input.
Yeah, all right. That should be pretty easy to do.
Okay.
So let's do that before we even downcase anything.
Yep.
Well, I can do this. Is there a cleaner way to do that?
No, you just raise, not underscore order.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, the raise order is the method in the aspect.
Okay. Okay. Good. And I need to raise argument error.
Yeah.
Like that. Do I need that?
Yeah.
That should take care of one of them. And now I need to alphabetic or check to see if it's alphabetic. So I would probably in Ruby do this with a what are they called?
In Ruby,
regular expression.
yeah. So, in Ruby, we will use this equal today. Not
like that.
Equal. Yeah. Sorry for this. Yeah, equal today.
Oh, sorry. I think there's a cleaner way to do that. And I think I need a set, don't I? I need like that.
I think you need to add some modification to tell it at least one or more. I think it plus sign after the parenthesis.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And I think just remembering looking at my table, although I don't have it memorized, there's a cleaner way to do it than even that.
The cleaner way is use this capital W is non-alphabet or non-word.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So I could just.
Yeah, just backslash. Yeah. No, yeah. you have to put backslash in front of.
Oh, back. Okay.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Wow. Informative.
Yes. 77. Those are the ones I just did, right? Am I still failing or? Is our spec not working?
Maybe the less not, I'm not sure, but maybe the less not accept the second parameter.
I don't understand the first failure, because on line 77 of our spec, or well, line 78 actually, it's guessing an empty string through the guess function, and it expects you to raise an argument error, and that's pretty simple code on line 29.
Maybe the expect method just expect that you just raise argument error, but not expect for this text.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we can nuke it.
Yeah, that's the case. So,
okay.
Yeah. Okay. It's
all right. Move along.
The last one in this context.
83.
Neil.
Okay. That's pretty easy.
Yeah.
So I think I can just come up here and do that. And in fact, all right. You can tell I'm used to Python.
Yeah, double type. But I think you need to put the new checker at the front. Because if later is nil, maybe is
that.
Yeah.
And I'm actually, I think it would be cleaner code if we brought the other condition all the way up.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah. Beautiful. It's gone.
All right.
All right. Great work. So it's my turn to be a diver. Okay. This is the second last display word with guesses. So for now, let's save this. Okay. This time they put the test case for three element keyword. At first they put the word is banana, and they try three times. The first put bn, the second put the all wrong with def, and the third is the winner is ban.
Yep.
And then they expect that the variable that's called word with guesses that we still didn't have it equal to display. The display is the value of this test case. The test case is string, and the is pair is the method that towers into the hash table. This is a hash table, the test case.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's first create the variable called word with guess. Okay. And then they have the length equal to word. We start with this dash symbol. So maybe we can instantiate is with this symbol.
Yeah. I'm trying to figure out what method you're we need to implement here.
Maybe add initialize.
Okay.
How about this?
So we have some sort of pattern or something that in our constructor.
Yeah. In Ruby, we have the GSUF.
Okay. So we need a string of all dashes that's the same length as the word we passed in, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's easy to do in Python. I don't know how to do it in Ruby.
The Ruby have this method. The Ruby use this method. The hard thing about this method is the first element you need to push the pattern. The pattern is a
sub. Oh, I see.
Yeah, is a regular pace.
All right, so you can sub everything with dashes.
Yeah.
All right.
Then okay. If we use this, I think we can expect that this case will pass. Because anyway, you right or wrong, the
second test.
Yeah, the second test.
Yeah. All right, it didn't, although I'm not confident word or RSpec is properly updating. Sometimes it seems like you have to save things twice or something.
Okay. No, it's still.
All right. Are you sure we got the method name that it wants correct? Because you made this word with guesses and you made an accessor for it, which is great. Is that actually what it's asking for? Yeah, it is. Okay. It's on line 102 of the RSpec one. All right. So it's
why we can scroll off into okay.
Oh, but on line 101, it expects a method guess several letters. I'm not sure we've implemented that method.
If you can scroll up on your command, you will see that the test will show you what is the text that you return.
Do you mean on my my auto test shell? Because it won't let me scroll that up.
It seems to me for now.
Oh. I see it moving around. I think you're doing something, and it's moving around a little bit, but it's not scrolling up very much.
Okay, I can scroll it now. I don't know why.
I don't know. It's Cloud9's environment. It's not what I'm used to.
Okay, I want to scroll it up.
Did you catch my analysis of why we're failing the test earlier?
They just
because it's on the RSpec file. It is calling a method guess underscore several underscore letters.
It shows something like this.
Yeah, if you look on the RSpec file on line 101,
oh,
there's a method there. Do we need to implement that method?
RSpec file. Which file do you comment? Sorry. So.
Oh, no, I think I was wrong. I think guess several letters is actually implemented at the top of the RSpec file on line 6 through 10.
Can you see in the chat box in the Hangout? This is a thing that is printed out.
Yeah. Okay.
Should be that which cases are there, but it's got ANA. Why? Why is push? We push. They put the letter. If they put DEF, why it shows that ANA.
Yeah, I don't understand that either.
It seems like our sub is not correct because it just. Oh, I see. Oh, I'm not sure.
Oh, it only subbed the very first. Yeah, it's only subbed the very first character with the dash. It needs to sub all the characters.
Yeah.
I'm
not sure. We still the same. No.
I think your regular expression is right. I'm playing around in Rubular in another window right now. And if I put in banana with the dot plus, or I can test with the \W plus, but I expect that'll work too. It still matches the whole string. So perhaps we're not using the method sub correctly. Maybe I can look at the documentation for that.
Maybe. Okay. That I think is quite complicated. That's because if you look into the sub and the example of the sub of the third example for the dot is put the box after.
Yeah, I see it. And it's only replacing the very first vowel, right? We want to replace all of them.
Yeah.
Can we just loop across our word character by character and explicitly replace it?
Okay. That's all. Okay. Thank you.
So at least we passed that one.
Yeah. Finally, we passed it. Okay. For now, we passed the second test, and the first test is BN. When we got N, put it in 2 position and B in the third position. So for BN, we have to check for each of the character in the letter, and then if it equal to the input, it will put in their position. So maybe we put it in here after everything was put into.
That makes sense.
Okay.
I agree.
Okay. We will use index. Then we will look for all of then we will get the position. We have the same length between word and guess which word. So if you use this, let's see. Side guess. If
yeah,
I
think that'll work. Is there an easier way to do it than to manually put in the index? I'm recalling from last week there was a looping mechanism that looped over something by the index or something.
So let's first test it and we will refactor it after this.
Yeah, why don't we just pass it first and then we'll worry about refactoring.
Okay. But I
just saved the same thing just to see if it suddenly magically passed.
Really?
No, it didn't work, but I don't trust RSpec. It seems like sometimes it doesn't properly get the latest version of your file or something. But it didn't work this time. I don't see why that didn't work off the top of my head. It looks as though it ought to.
And I think the second test was broken. Why?
Oh, you're right. Oh, so we did successfully pass one test, but we broke another? Is that what happened?
We passed the third test but we broke 2, the second and the first. Okay. Okay, why all of it show banana? We got all banana.
No, okay. I thought I saw it, but I got mixed up. So we're looping over each character in our solution word, and we are checking that to see if that's equal to the letter we just guessed. And if that condition is true, we're setting our dash pattern at the same index to be the letter we guessed. Yeah. Which, all right, that should work because the letter we guessed is the same as the letter that's there. And then we increment our index. That looks like correct code to me.
Yeah, it's me too.
It's maybe not the prettiest way to do it, but I do not understand why that does not do the job.
If we try to do this, I don't know. This is just,
yeah. I don't know what else to try.
we take it banana. If letter equal C. Okay. I want to do something.
This is the time-honored debugging method that I've been doing since I was programming in BASIC and Pascal 25, 30 years ago. I can't actually scroll up to see what your prints actually printed.
You can you?
No, I can't scroll up in the output window.
You can expand the output window to move up and down.
I can do what?
Expand.
Expand. Oh.
Yeah, expand.
Like that? It kind of moved the output window without expanding it.
Whoa. It's kind of a problem in the... Yeah,
it just kind of moves it up and down.
Yeah, okay, I can copy to show you.
Oh yeah, I can look in your. I keep forgetting I have the Hangout. I can come over to
yeah,
it.
yeah. You can look into my.
All right.
Okay, the thing that I don't understand. Why the application pushes in the DEF, but why the letter is BAANN? It should be D.
That is curious. Are we sure it's just not a syncing issue, that you have the test process is not printing things at the same point that they're actually being executed by the Ruby process? Or is DEF guessed at any point? It would have to be above the message, right?
Pardon? Can you talk it again?
It is DEF printed out as a guess by your printfs, your put statements at any point above where? Yeah, if you scroll all the way up, it doesn't do it at all. Huh.
So the problem is the letter. I still don't know how to debug in the modern way in Ruby. So
Right. Yep, that's a good idea. A lot of output to deal with.
yeah, but I'm trying at this BN. Whoa. DF. I think. Do you see this pattern? Put BN, but it show DF, and put DF, it show BA.
Yeah, I'm wondering if that's real, or if it's just an issue of the testing process is not executing and syncing up correctly with the Ruby process. But your put statement should all be in the proper order, even if they're not necessarily in the same order as the output of the testing process. So when you got DF, it never looped through your second put. C, it never did C, D, letter D, and CF, letter F. So there's definitely an issue.
Maybe we can move it to, I'm not sure why is this so.
Each character do C, letter equals C, puts C, letters, letter. That prints out. Yeah. Guess letter. No.
If we put it in this, because anyway this course will run when is the course is in the truth, the words. Oh, sorry, I see something like this.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. Then we just try. Hmm.
So we're still failing the same tests.
Yeah. I want to get the same test. Hmm.
Huh. I'm pretty stumped. I'm tempted at this point to try to refactor kind of ugly loop with the index and see if when we make it prettier, we also get it to work.
Mm. Why it's not okay? So we try another loop.
Try another loop, you said?
Yeah.
I'm trying to look up the right one.
Maybe this.
Oh, each underscore care. Is that it? Or I think there's an each index.
Each.
At least in the list type.
Is index. Okay, we can try each index. Oh, it's with index.
Yeah, I'm not certain that strings have an each index. I'm looking at the string documentation right now. I don't see it listed.
Maybe we can try.
Yeah, I think arrays have that, but strings might not.
No. It's all wrong. So maybe we use this.
That's pretty much how I'd do it in any language other than Ruby.
Still the same.
Letter is the same as word. Yeah, code looks right.
I'm not sure.
I don't think downcase is it because it's passing us everything.
Yeah.
Huh.
Why is all wrong?
We managed to break lots of things. All right, they're unbroken.
Okay, I know it.
So it's still all B, A, and N, even when it's passing in D, E, F, right?
Yeah.
Well, are we messing somehow with the local variable letter at some point inside the function? Maybe
this line.
before we downcase it, we should print it out like up here.
Yeah.
Just to make sure. It's kind of odd that they're not always running out consecutively. You should always get a before and then an after, right? But sometimes you get before, like 3 befores in a row.
Yeah. Why the can I look into your gem file? Why is not run in sequential? What is the problem?
I don't understand the reason for that. I mean, I would understand it if RSpec were doing something complicated like spawning a new thread to guess each letter or something. Then you would expect a new sequential, but it's not doing that. In the RSpec file, there's a function guess several letters up top, and it's a simple loop.
Yeah.
So they should execute sequentially.
But why is not executing that start? So we can skip this because it's not our fault.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm tempted to punt at this point as well. I have no idea.
Me too.
Think about it tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay. So for now, your code is look spaghetti with push.
Well, I can fix that.
Okay. Maybe we.
Did you just pass a test case somehow? You went from 2 failures to 1 somehow.
I just pending.
Oh, okay. All right, you changed the test file. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Stay motivated. For the game, stay that is the last one.
Line 107.
107. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. So we need to remove some of these tests, right?
Yeah.
There are 3 of them, so why don't we remove all 3?
Yeah.
All right. So we are starting a new game with the word dog, and when we guess all the letters, we want to have a method in our game class, check win or lose to equal win.
Yeah.
Okay. But there are actually 3 possible symbols it can return. It can return win, lose, or play.
Yeah.
We want to always return play until we have a number of wrong guesses more than some critical value, 7.
Yeah.
After which we return lose.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need a method check win or lose. So if I come over, let's see, here.
Yep.
And do I take an argument? Let's see. Whoops. Wrong window.
But in the test file, the check win or lose is just instant variable, not function.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So first thing I want to do is to check the length of my wrong guesses. Okay. So if it's at least 7, then I return that symbol.
Yeah.
And now I can check my
Win.
my win condition. So I win if all letters are guessed, or equivalently, if we fix the previous test, if there are no hyphens remaining in my word with guesses. So I can do
Oh, very clever. Wow. But
that'll work.
In this test, we need to depend on the previous test.
Right. Yeah.
Okay. You not return pay.
Oh. So that is 119.
119 is expected you to return pay.
After it guessed do, setting up dog. So what did it return, I wonder?
If this guess include.
Is it because I depended on a previous test that we haven't passed?
Maybe. Or you can, for now, you can rely on the length of the guesses and the word.
Oh, that's right, because we only put correct guesses in guesses. All right. Okay. So it's actually probably easier to do it that way.
Yeah. But I think your method is more clever.
And maybe it's a little bit too clever.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, and I forgot my. Yeah. All right.
Yeah. We passed our office.
I passed, but I didn't properly reference word. I forgot my @ sign.
Yeah, but yes, you still pass, but we remain one failure. The failure is in the previous test.
Yeah.
That is the problem.
Which I'm going to think about tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah. I have a guest time with you. Thank you to join.
All right. Thanks. So can I grab your the YouTube video so I can submit it?
Sure. I will send to you.
Okay. Dude. Yeah. Okay. I guess you can get to my Gitter chat and get it to me that way.
Okay.
Awesome. Thanks a lot.
Me too.
Good working with you. Thanks for your help.
Yeah.